We have found CK to be value for money, reliable, and their after-sales service and maintenance is excellent. Regen waste take in co-mingled waste from the municipal councils both here in Northern Ireland and in some parts of Great Britain. We take in blue bin and also black bin waste. Part of the black bin gets processed and we make SRF out of it. That SRF material, or indeed RDF material, gets exported overseas to incinerators or cement factories, and in order to do that and load it in the ships, we bale it, wrap it and strap it. Before we added the SRF plant, we currently had 2 previous balers on site. Basically both of them were from America. So in this case we decided to give our partners CK International, who we know or have known for a number of years, the opportunity to provide their baler. CK convinced us that the balers that they had was right for our requirements. That has proven to be the case, and in fact, since we purchased the baler, a number of the parameters from our off-takers have changed, and CK International have been great with their after-sales services in changing and adapting their machine to suit our off-takers' requirements. To change densities, to ensure a constant and consistent lengths. CK delivered the baler on time, as per our schedule, which was of paramount importance to us because we actually had a boat booked before we had the plant installed. We had no issues with the commission of it. CK are local to us, so they've been very amenable and quick to react when we have had issues.